Have you ever played a game where actually finishing quests unlocks rewards for your whole crew? This isn't just slogging away on your own, it's shared premium power. Let me show you now how we can level up smarter. And of course, for any finance and crypto content, make sure you do your own research before investing, because we're not financial advisors and this video isn't financial advice. All the relevant links will be at the top of the video description and in the pinned comments. I'm stoked to bring you this one. Let's get into it. All right, folks, I'm absolutely pumped to chat to you about today's video, the Sandbox and the Sand token. This is an OG project in the space and one of the only gaming projects in crypto that's actually built and fleshed out a massive sort of pixelated style metaverse, right? Think of it a bit like Roblox. I sort of like to think of it as the Minecraft of crypto. It stood the test of time, has heaps of active users, still a really relevant project, and honestly, there hasn't been a better time to get involved and grab a premium pass. It only costs 30 sand tokens, which right now really isn't much, and that's basically going to let you get involved, play games, earn experience points, or with the goal of getting more sand tokens, which you can then cash out for real money, because it's a cryptocurrency, obviously. Alright? So the premium pass, guys, that's what this is all about. Now everyone, it's super easy to go ahead and mint a premium pass. Personally, I'd recommend you set up a MetaMask wallet and all that sort of thing. Get it all set up. You can use different chains like Polygon or Ethereum, alright? Now, if we scroll down here, have a look at this. So, welcome to the NFT marketplace. It's as simple as this. You've got the option to mint a premium pass right here. So let's go ahead. I just want to show you how easy it actually is to go ahead and do this. So basically, that'll bring us here. Alright, like I said before, yeah, earn more rewards with the premium pass. Alpha 6 is currently 30 sand, which is $5.50 US. Okay? You can pay now with a credit card, so you don't even need crypto. You can literally just link your card and get it sorted, alright? And grab yours for 30 sand, as you can see here. Like I said, everyone, it's going to let you score that bonus sand and premium rewards. Now, the last time I had a proper go at the Sandbox myself was about a year ago, and I actually earned a few $100 worth of sand. So I can tell you from my own experience that it's definitely pretty worth it. Alright everyone, so we're here on the events section for Alpha Season 6. Okay, so once you use the link in the description, you'll get that $5.50 US premium pass. Super easy. Okay? You'll need to do your KYC for it, but that's dead easy too. You can jump over here and start playing Season 6, everyone. There's 250 grand worth in the actual sand pool here, and this is where your earnings will stack up. Okay? So these are your actual sand earnings right here. Have a squiz of this. Alright? You'll earn sand throughout all of Alpha Season 6, yeah? By smashing through Battle Pass levels. Okay? And I've done this myself, folks. It's brilliant. Open up partner sand chests, okay? Open landowner sand chests and score a slice of a sand pool. Okay? It's dead easy to get stuck in and do it. And basically, the way to rack that up is just to get those experience points cranking. And how do you do that? Okay? Level up your hologram into an avatar. Okay? Finish your quests, jump into spotlight experiences, smash social challenges, invite your mates, and own an avatar as an NFT. They've also got some NFT sandbox land, which actually I've got a plot myself. I bought it about 3 years ago and I've been hanging on to it, just waiting for this bloody bull market to finally kick off, and I reckon it's going to be well worth it. And honestly, if you're even a little bit into casual gaming, this is the platform for you. It's heaps of fun. You can rack up experience and actually earn real money at the same time. So these are just showing you some examples of different little metaverse worlds where you can jump in, play these games, have battles, enjoy some really fun social experiences, and rack up those experience points. Alright? So this one here, for example, looks pretty cool. The Smurfs Alchemist Eos. So see here, for example, you've got EP, right? That's experience points, 20 bucks. Okay? So you get 20 points for playing that one. So it gives you all the info. Right? Grab the Sandbox launcher, download the launcher. Okay? So just remember, if you want to play a fair few of these, you'll actually need to download that launcher onto your device to get started and play as well. Besides that, we've got some other really cool ones too. Okay, check this out. It's been played, as you can see, 11,000 times, yeah? Some of these look really 12. If you're someone who's into something like this one here, like Dreamland by AIMC, this is awesome. Alright, what I really like about this is that heaps of different creators can actually come in and build these experiences. See, check out this one for example. You can get 3,000 total experience points for this one, down in the bottom right corner. This one right here, okay? So invite your mates and earn EP. Earn up to 3,000 EP when your friends get to level 10. So all you have to do is copy your referral, share it, and you'll earn 300 AP when a mate finishes level 10. You get your own little referral link down there too. So heaps of cool little perks and benefits here as well. And over here, right, this is the actual sand pool here. Okay, so again, once you've got that premium pass, which you can actually buy, you can start getting on this leaderboard here. So as you can see, check this out, folks. We've got someone sitting at the top of the leaderboard here, Kane. They've scored 518 sand rewards. Okay, pretty cool, eh? All right, so you can get amongst it too. So yeah, guys, it's really just about racking up those points and earning that sand token. Also, folks, there's a pretty cool bonus going on at the moment. If you actually own NFTs from the Cirque du Soleil collection, which you can see right here, or from the Jurassic Park collection, you'll score extra bonus experience points as well. You can also unlock exclusive avatars there, plus a heap of experience points too. That's what it's all about. You sort of have to jump on the ones they're pushing first, then work your way back down. This is also going to give you a decent multiplier boost. Again, it's simple. It gets you more experience points, more sand tokens, more cash in your pocket just for playing games. And if you thought that wasn't good enough, it's actually easy to rack up even more experience points. You just need to head over and follow them right here on X. Getting involved in events, smashing out community challenges, it's dead easy, honestly. It's also handy, like if I'm not really sure about something that's happening or I want to catch up with the latest, I just jump onto their X account. I just check out what's going on. Take this one, for example, the Smurf Sandbox. I mean, how cool does that look? We mentioned that to you at the start of the video, and that's actually how I found out about it. I just went and had a look myself. So yeah, everything you do there gets reflected on your leaderboard ranking once you get stuck in. They've also got a brand new matchmaking quest section, right? So if you need to do some matchmaking for quests and say you don't have a mate to jump on with, they've made it heaps easier to just get in and do it now. It's all right here. So what are you waiting for? Don't just play smart. Grab your premium pass, smash out some quests, and unlock shared rewards to level up your whole experience. The more EP, that's experience points, you rack up, the bigger your share of the sand pool. So guys, what are you waiting for? Go on, spend that $5.50 US dollars and check out the perks for yourself. If you're someone who just likes to chill out and you're going to play games anyway, then what have you got to lose? You might as well start making some real cash while you're at it. Earn experience points just by buying in for $5.50. You can pay with your credit card and earn sand tokens from that. All good? Maybe go on. You can grab a bit of land, pick up some Cirque NFTs if you want to take it further, if you're really getting into it, because honestly, this looks pretty awesome to be fair with you. And yeah, I can't really think of a better way to play some games while also making a bit of cash on the side. Alright, so you can play that video there and check it out as well if you've got a bit of time. So yeah, folks, if you've got any questions about the sandbox, let us know in the comments. If you enjoyed this video, give it a like, drop a comment, subscribe, turn on notifications, and we can't wait to see you in the next Sandbox video. Catch you in the Sandbox.